Welcome to the new FNT Knowledge Hub, your central place for learning content, product guidance, and self-service enablement around FNT software. Getting started is easy. Simply log in with your email address and password. New users can sign up directly, and if needed, reset their password in just a few clicks. After logging in, you land on the welcome page. Here, users get a quick introduction to the platform and its purpose, helping you build, manage, and optimize your IT landscape with clear and practical guidance. The left-hand navigation gives you direct access to the available content areas. Today, users can already explore welcome and tutorial videos. Manuals and the FNT Assistant will be added soon. In the tutorial videos section, content is organized by topic, making it easy to find the right learning path. From administration and initial data import to asset inventory, cable and connections, and data center management. If you already know what you are looking for, use the search bar at the top to navigate even faster through the available content. With just a few clicks, users can open a specific tutorial. For example, within cable and connections, you can access focused video content such as internal rack cabling. Each tutorial provides a clear title, a short description, and direct playback within the platform, so users can immediately start learning without leaving the Knowledge Hub. The FNT Knowledge Hub makes product knowledge more accessible, more structured, and easier to consume. Start exploring and get the most out of FNT Command.